Hey SK, my name's Shane.
And my name's Wyatt.
Let's get into some quick general news. If you're a junior looking for job experience and financial help, the shipyard is hosting a presentation for their work study program. The presentation will be held in 2 weeks and sign-ups can be found in the Career Center. Seniors can also get in on the action as the shipyard is now hiring graduating seniors for entry-level machinist positions. Applications to take time, so any submitted now should be processed by summer. If you're interested, please talk to Mrs. Nass in the Career Center. If you're not interested in working in the shipyard, the Kitsap County Public Works are looking to hire seniors for seasonal summer positions. Pick up a packet and check out the job board on the outside of the Career Center for more. The library is out of USB-C chargers for Chromebooks. Please, if you still have one checked out, return it ASAP and avoid any fines. As the semester wraps up, it's time to take some weight off.
Hey Wolves, as the semester's coming to an end, it's very important that you turn in all your books here at the book room. Don't forget to bring your ID card, and if you forget it, you can always access it on your phone. You only need your ID cards for checking out books, and when returning, you could stop by and drop them in the box. See how easy that was? Turn in your books today to avoid all fines.
Thanks, Kelsey. You can turn in your books as soon as your class is done with them. As a reminder, sophomores, juniors, and especially seniors, do your Zell lessons. Seniors specifically have until the end of next week to complete your high school and beyond plan, as this is a graduation requirement. After next week, mandatory Zell sessions will start on Wednesdays and Fridays. If you need help, please see Mrs. Nash from the Career Center. Seniors, while getting all your graduation requirements done, you can start looking at colleges. Many colleges and universities are still open for applications. Some may even give out merit scholarships based on your academics. If you need any help covering tuition, make sure you register your FAFSA. Stop by the Career Center today if you're looking for help with financial aid as well as scholarships. If you want a yearbook to remember your time here at SK, get your pre-orders in while you can. After Monday, yearbooks will be sold upon arrival in June on a first-come, first-served basis. Extras will be limited and not guaranteed, so pre-order now for only $60. Now, on to some sports news.
Online spring sport registrations is still open. Make sure you have a current physical so you can play the many sports that will be available starting late next month. If you have any questions, please go to the athletic office or email Ms. Mueller. Of course, with spring sports starting, winter sports are coming to an end. We have Preston on some special games happening tonight and tomorrow.
What up, South? Some sport reminders. Girls basketball senior night is tonight here in the gym. If you're going, consider buying your tickets online. But if you can't make it, men's senior night is also tomorrow here in the gym as well. If you can't make it to either and still want to support, check out SKHS Video Productions on YouTube to watch both events live.
And if you want help to put the game live, your time is running out. We are looking for experienced basketball players to act as commentators for today and tomorrow's game. If you are interested, please see Mr. Pickard ASAP. If you want to participate in sports events in person, make sure to buy your tickets online at the Athletics web store to skip the lines. As for the people stuck at home, you can check out the SK Twitter and Instagram accounts at SKHS_Wolves for more news on athletics.
Last night, wrestling took on Emerald Ridge. JV chased the Jaguars off that mat, going undefeated for the night. With the spotlight on varsity, took to the mat and also had an impressive showing. Shout out to Stone Hartford, who, when asked by the ref to get back to the center, did so with a 126-pound carry-on. Hartford won with a pin. So did Rose Brooks, Isaac Perdue, Ben Laws, Jacob Gatlin, and Vince Neighbors. And Mitchell Niner won with a TKO. Way to go, Wolves, and good luck at regionals.
In club news, Builders of Unity will be viewing and discussing 7 inspiring activists for social justice. See and discuss how these kids changed our world before even going into high school. Everyone is welcome to join and bring a friend. They'll meet in 228 today. Besides Builders of Unity, Mandarin Plus will also meet today. Clubs meeting Monday are ASL, AP Action, Magic the Gathering, and Model UN.
Well, that's all for today.
Hey, wait. Did you see Mark last night?
No, what was he doing?
I don't know. He just stared at me, laughed, and ran.
That's weird. Anyway, that's all for today. I've been...
Wait!
What?
We have a special announcement and reveal.
Cool. Wait, what is it?
It's the cover for the 2022 yearbook.
Really? Okay, let's see it. Wow. This looks awesome.
All right, that's been it. I've been Wyatt.
And I've been Shane. Till next week, SK.